Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your default payment method in the Royal Caribbean app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your payment method or change your default payment method on the Royal Caribbean app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Royal Caribbean app. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on Profile. Then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and then click on Payment Methods. Now, once you've clicked on Payment Methods, you're going to see that there's a way to actually add a new payment method here. So go ahead and click on Add a New Payment Method, and there you have it. Now, once you've added a new payment method, you could actually go ahead and toggle on as a default payment method if you want to go ahead and make this your default payment method. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change default payment methods on the Royal Caribbean app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.